If you're an indoor grower working with overhead lights, you know what it's like. No matter how much you spend, you just can't get enough light to reach your lower branches. So, to increase yield and use your light more efficiently, you cut, trim, or prune the lower branches away. Hey, they're not getting enough light. So why let them waste energy and nutrients that could go to the upper branches instead? But trimming, cutting, and pruning causes plant stress, increasing your grow time, and on top of these methods, removes naturally created bud and colocytes, reducing your plant's natural yield. Or, you can train your plants to grow sideways, horizontally, allowing each branch to remain so that they can stretch upward to receive optimum light penetration. This leads to increased yield per plant, less stress, and shorter grow times. And as an added bonus, with a shorter plant, you can stack them and make the most out of your space. Want to learn how? Visit Trella.io.